I tried Alby Wallet extension app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Alby Wallet extension, I thought it was just another Bitcoin tool, simple, maybe even boring. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Alby isn't just a wallet. It's a complete gateway to the Lightning Network that changes how you use Bitcoin online. On day 1, I installed the browser extension, and it immediately stood out for how seamlessly it integrates with websites. Alby lets you send and receive Bitcoin over the Lightning Network directly from your browser. No separate app, no long setup. Just click, scan, and pay. By day 2, I was tipping creators on Twitter and supporting podcasts using Lightning payments in real time. Most people get this wrong. They think Bitcoin is slow and expensive to use. But with Alby, Lightning payments are nearly instant and cost just a fraction of a cent. By midweek, I linked Alby to my Lightning address and connected it to Nostr and other web platforms. Suddenly, I wasn't just using Bitcoin as money, I was using it as part of the internet itself. Sending microtransactions, unlocking content, even signing in securely, all possible right from the wallet. By day 6, I tested Alby security. It stores keys locally, meaning your funds never leave your control. You can back up your seed phrase, manage multiple accounts, and even connect to your own Lightning node if you want full sovereignty. After 7 days, here's the truth. Alby isn't just another crypto wallet. It's a glimpse of what the future of the web could look like, fast, private, and powered by Bitcoin. If you've ever wished Bitcoin felt as easy to use as cash, Alby might just be the bridge you've been waiting for. It's simple, powerful, and honestly, one of the coolest ways to make Bitcoin actually useful in daily life.